The default thumbnail feature is a way to quickly add a custom image to all the articles that are missing a thumbnail. So here you will notice that some articles are without a thumbnail in the sidebar on the right and on the main column on the left. So I will show you where to go to upload a new custom image that will apply to every one of those. You will find this feature in Site Options under Layout. Here on the bottom right, you can upload your image and see how it applies. In this case, to keep it generic, I selected an image with the logo of my site. You can now see that the IndieGraph logo has replaced the empty spaces that we had before. The only placement where this default featured image won't be applied is the featured post over here. And this is because we don't want this default image, which often contains information like your logo or the name of your site, to push the content down too much and to be a bit too repetitive with the content of your header, with your logo, for example. Here, the important information is the name of the article, especially if you don't have an image assigned to go with it.